Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to use voice typing in Windows. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first you have to go to your start menu and then this time you have to look for control panel. If you cannot see fully, then you can tap categories here and then select large icons. And then here what you're going to look or tap is the speech recognition. Click this one. Now, here, what you're going to do next is tap on Start Speech Recognition. Click this one. Then here, you will read the following instruction. And once done, then all you have to do is tap on Next. So select the microphone that you're about to use. For me, it's headset. So click the first one here and then tap on Next. Now you can set up your microphone, but you need to follow the instruction right here. Try to read the following sentences aloud in a natural speaking voice. Now, once you see that everything is working well, then you can now proceed. Tap on next below or next button. If you see this message, then all you have to do is to go back and then try to read again the sentences aloud till your microphone is ready or fixed. Now you can now tap on next. Just read the following instruction here, and then once done, then you should see this icon above here. So, for example, if you want to use this Google or voice typing windows on your Microsoft Word, all you have to do is to click this one and then try to speak something. This microphone will recognize what you are telling or speaking, and this microphone is listening too. So, once you're done speaking, and then you will see the result here in this word page. So basically, I'm trying to talk, and then this speech recognition is trying to understand my words so I can see the word here automatically or the sentence automatically. So basically, that's how easy it is to use voice typing in Windows. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.